After grappling with the frustrating Netflix Error TVQ-PB-101 1.8.1 on my own Android TV and trying countless solutions, I finally discovered a set of reliable methods that actually work, and I'm eager to share them with you now. This video will show you how to fix Netflix Error TVQ-PB-101.8.1 on Android TV, ensuring your streaming experience is smooth. Sometimes your Android TV or even your internet router just needs a fresh start. Electronic devices can get confused with too much information or long periods of use. Turning everything off and then back on again is like giving them a quick reset, clearing out any minor software bugs or temporary connection problems that might be stopping Netflix from working right. The Netflix app stores lots of temporary files and information on your Android TV to help it run faster. But sometimes these stored files can get mixed up or become old, causing the TVQ-PB-101 error. Clearing this data makes the app start fresh like a brand new install, which often fixes problems caused by bad data. Netflix and Android TV are always changing. If your Netflix app is old, it might not understand the newest parts of the Netflix service or even how your Android TV works best. Updating the app brings in the latest fixes and improvements, making sure everything talks to each other correctly and gets rid of old problems that caused the error. Lastly, this specific error, TVQ-PB-101, often points to a problem with your internet connection reaching Netflix. Your Android TV needs a strong and clear path to Netflix's servers. Checking your network settings and making sure your Wi-Fi is connected properly, or even reconnecting it, ensures there are no blockages or weak signals stopping Netflix from loading its shows. These methods cover the main reasons this error pops up, getting you back to watching your favorite shows quickly.